Polly uncovering the snowmobile. He thinks he's got this big snowfall coming. He's lucky if he probably gets an inch, but you know, he's all pumped up getting ready for this big snow. Got one snowmobile there. The other snowmobile's down over here. What a dummy. He could be doing things in the house, you know, to help his wife out, but no, gotta make sure these snowmobiles are running for the big snow. I hope it don't start. 1, 2, 3. It's not gonna start. 4. Uh-oh, Polly. 5, 6, 7. Oh, damn. There it goes. No such luck. I was hoping it was broke.